Now I'm so geeked out, 'cause you might come home with me now. If I could